Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shani with dreaminspirecreate.com, and I'm here today to show you guys our bar stools that we fixed. Both of them were broken. We were missing like parts of it, like parts of the bottom part, just after people have been sitting on them for a few years. That happens, the wear and tear. So we decided to go ahead and repair these. And here I'm just showing you guys a close-up of all the missing parts. As you guys can see, there is no front and there is no side to one of them. The other one had all of its pieces, but it just needed to be tightened up. So we went ahead and did that. Okay, so here we are just measuring out to see what we need to cut. We actually used, I believe we used some furring strips, which is about, I think, a 1x2. And we went ahead and my husband, we did the pocket holes with our Craig jig. I can't stress enough how much we use this tool. It just comes in so handy. So we used the Craig jig and we went ahead and attached the new wood to our chairs so that it gives us a sturdier fit. And then at the end you guys will see me kind of paint it and give it a brand new look, of course. But that's what we did, and we did this for both chairs. So I'm gonna let you guys kind of watch us do that now. So this next chair is a chair that already had all 4 of its parts. We just needed to tighten up the screws that were in it. We actually replaced the screws that were in it and just used our own Craig screws. And then here you guys are going to see me use my shabby chic paint. It took forever for this to focus. I don't know why. But I got it off Amazon, and I showed this in the video before last when I did the red buffet cabinet. Okay, so here are the chairs after. I really like them. As you guys can see, this guy is always in the mix. Okay, smooth. I like them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.